How you guys doing? This is John from Extreme Marine Yacht Repairs. This morning we're here in Val Harbor doing a repair on this 20-foot Sea right here. Little small gel coat repair on the front. We're going to go ahead and show you step by step how to get this done. So first things first, this boat is dangling over the water on the lift. So we're going to be doing this repair upside down. A small gel coat chip here in the bow of the boat. So first thing we're going to do is start taping off the area for the repair. So we have everything taped up and ready to go. I'm going to have a little 80 grit sandpaper, a small chip. As I said, we're not going to have to fill with fiberglass. We're going to use some P17 to fill this hole. All right, so we got our P17 here. We'll go ahead and mix this up good. We're also going to be brushing on gel coat onto this particular application because of where we're at. Nobody around here wants any overspray on their boats or on these expensive vehicles out here. We're going to actually brush the gel coat on this particular job here. All right, now we're going to sand this down with a little bit of 80 and then 180. Knock off the heavy stuff with the 80. We got our gel coat mix, put some sanding aid in there. Getting ready to add some MEK.